firstly, I have to say that I don't have much experience on kayaking. I work as a leisure activities instructor in summer camps of Suacha in the lake of Ulibarri Gamboa. And the children who came there practice different water activities like kayaking. And they practice with a specialist instructor in that area. And sometimes I also got into the water with a kayak, but with intention to have fun without any knowledge. And today, in the first day, I have to say that I am very surprised because to run the kayak is more difficult than I thought. I didn't feel that I was controlling the kayak. I was moving all the time right to left. And besides that, I gave much strength to each stroke and I didn't feel comfortable. So I think that I have different aspects to improve it.
In this first day, my intention was to explain some notions about the basic elements we need to paddling and to show John how we have to adjust the kayak to our body position. I felt comfortable in this explanation, and I think that it has been an easy understanding speech. And after that, after the explanation, we have been paddling around 45 minutes into the water, and I didn't give any notions to John to how paddle better. I did it intentionally, and why I did it. I think that it's important to see the prior knowledge of the student on paddling, and I wanted to see the prior knowledge of John in this case. I think that he has been quite surprised about the difficulty to row with this type of kayak. He has made a big effort to control the direction of the kayak, and he felt a little bit depressed, I think, with his skills in the first day. However, I used to see this type of reactions of the pupils, and I try to encourage him all the moment. So be patient, John.